Broad Echo. Set. Fantastic. Superhero restless in those gates. Fantastic. 1600 meters, and they fired away. One of the first to respond is Power Port. King's Chalice there in the early stages. Broad Echo's on the outside, quite compact up front. Beyond All Doubt and Bay Mission. Superhero City Charmer, you can throw a blanket over them up front. Blue Horizons on the outside, only 2 lengths off them. Very compact run race. Toscanini's further back. Hit the road, Jack's next in line, Far Too Special. Fantastic, Green Chartreuse. Then we drop back to Hermit King. Pepe's in the back seat. They now begin to sort themselves out into racing order. Beyond All Doubt now goes on by a length and a tail. City Charmers in second. King's Chalice back at the fence third. Crown Prince on the outside. Bay Mission, Power Port. Blue Horizons further back. Hit the road, Jack. Broad Echo, the market rival to King's Chalice, got about 6 or 7 lengths to make up. Far Too Special goes through along the inside. 500 meters to go, Beyond All Doubts there by 2. King's Chalice now to put on the pressure. Power Port's running on towards the inside. Broad Echo towards the outside. 5 lengths to make up. Beyond All Doubt, but King's Chalice is moving in well enough on the outside. Power Port's going to try and make a race of it along the inside, and Power Port showing big improvement along the inside, strikes the front. Beyond All Doubt, Broad Echo gets rolling late on the outside, but it's Power Port to win it. Second, King's Chalice, Broad Echo third, and Beyond All Doubt ran fourth. So number 14, Power Port, and really looked a picture on the way down to the start. You can see Zaanthompson glancing right to see what's coming at him, and Power Port, the 14 horse, returning 59 rand a win and 7 rand 20 a place. He really went down to the start well, and he causes an upset here. Appreciating the extra beating in second, King's Chalice. Broad Echo only got rolling late for third, still very green in at sea, and he'll finish just ahead of Beyond All Doubt back along the inside. And they drew well clear of the rest of the field. Bay Mission and Green Chartreuse further back, and then Superhero finished on the outside in the orange silks. That's it from myself, Sheldon, in the commentary box. Back to Cecil in the Teletrack studio. Along the inside. 500 meters to go, Beyond All Doubts there by 2. King's Chalice now to put on the pressure. Power Port's running on towards the inside. Broad Echo towards the outside. 5 lengths to make up. Beyond All Doubt, but King's Chalice is moving in well enough on the outside. Power Port's going to try and make a race of it along the inside, and Power Port showing big improvement along the inside, strikes the front. Beyond All Doubt, Broad Echo gets rolling late on the outside, but it's Power Port to win it. Second, King's Chalice, Broad Echo third, and Beyond All Doubt ran fourth. And returning to the winners' enclosure, Power Port, 3-year-old bag gelding by Allied Flag. Trained by Corinne Bestell, ridden by Zaanthompson, owned by Messrs. Edwards, Bolson, Blythe, Heen, Lease, Mika, Patterson and Giffen, bred by the Clifton Stud.
Well, Power Port has shown the improvement going over the extra ground after having 2 warm-up sprints. Zaanthompson's done the honours, and Zahn, the horse, relished the extra.
Yes, I've been working him at home. His work's got better every day, and he produced it today.
For a moment or two, I thought the others might give you a race, but this horse drew away quite easily in the end.
Yeah, Sean was there. Seth and Gavin moved up together, but once he got rolling, he ran away from him.
Well done, Zahn.
Thanks.
Corinne?